Hi, I'm Emma and I'm a Hobbycraft artisan, and I like all things crafty, especially if it's rainbow coloured, sparkly and fun. Today I'm going to show you how to make these cute garden creatures out of tin cans. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel. You will need acrylic paint in a variety of colours, Oasis black metallic wire, decoupage medium, Posca paint pen markers, googly eyes, hardwood dowel, natural wood craft sticks, paint brushes, paint palettes, empty tin cans, and a plastic bottle. Let's start with making sure that the empty tin cans and plastic bottles are clean and dry. Then paint with stone-coloured paint, which acts as a base, and leave to dry. Next, paint the cans in different colours for each of the creatures and leave to dry. Apply a second coat of paint if needed. Then add details to the cans, like stripes for the bee, and spots for the frog, and leave to dry. Next, add further details, like feathers for the blue tit, and a smiley face for the frog, and a cheeky tongue. Now give each can a coat of glue varnish to seal the paint and protect it for when it's outside. Allow this to dry. Next, use the wire to make some wings. And a pair of antennae for the dragonfly and another pair for the bee. Carefully cut up the plastic bottle. This is to make some wings for the bee and some wings for the blue tip and a little beak. Then paint some craft sticks green, and when dry, glue together to make the grasshopper's legs. Then using strong glue, attach to his body. Finally, we add googly eyes to creatures, using different size eyes for the different size creatures to really bring them to life. Next, carefully make a hole in the bottom of the blue tit and grasshopper with a hammer and nail. Once you've pushed the thin dowel through the hole, secure in place with some strong glue. For the bee and the dragonfly, make a hole in the top as before, then thread some string through the hole to make a knot. They can be hung up from a tree and doubles up as bird feeders.